Hey, I'm Chicken Johnny, and I was wondering, did you ever wonder what happens after a market day when the sellers go home and you're all eating your fresh vegetables and enjoying the fruits of our labor? Well, I'm about to show you. This is only a few of the items that have to be washed and sanitized, sterilized, and ready to be put back on the trailer. Now, the rest of it is sitting over here. And my job is to bring it over there and help Mama Goose wash all those containers. So my plan is to make a video instead. A video that shows you how hard Mother Goose works getting all these containers washed, rinsed, and sanitized. Well, I guess I better stop making a video and start helping do chores, or else Mama Goose isn't going to make me any more strawberry rhubarb pie. This has been a Minute with the Chicken. Talk to y'all later.